This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can underline text in Google Sheets. If you're used to clicking on a button up here to underline text in Google Docs or Google Slides, you will notice that it's not there in Google Sheets. However, that does not mean the feature doesn't exist. This is what you need to do. Highlight the text that you want to underline, then click on Format, then click on Text, and you will see that the option to underline is here. You can also use a keyboard shortcut, which on a Mac will be Command U and on Windows would be Control U. Click on that or use the keyboard shortcut, and now the word that you want underlined will be underlined. So this video shows you how to underline text in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.